Hello, I'm going to show you how to replace the struts on a Kia Mark 1 rear window. We have a look here. These ones don't hold up, they've lost their support, so they're quite easy to remove. So they've got a little clip here which you have to prise off with a screwdriver. Which is quite simple. That's the piece you prise off. So if we have a look over here, I've just started to prise that one off with the screwdriver, like so, and then down here I've actually taken that one off. It's just a metal clip. Just use a screwdriver and prise that off. Once you've taken the clip off, it will just pull off like so. Okay, and the same with the top one. So once that clip's removed, we can sort that out. So I'm just gonna clip that off. So here's the screwdriver I'm using. It's just a thin flathead screwdriver. So we'll just finish moving that like so. That's now removed, and then that should just pull off like so. And then we've got a couple of new ones here. And make sure you put them on the right way around, so that one will go on there like so. Just pushes on like such, nice and easy. And the same with the bottom one, we just push that on. And we'll just push on like so. There we go. So that's in now. So obviously when I was doing this, I was making sure it wouldn't slam shut. So I put an old set of overalls over the edge there. So now that shuts nice and stiff. That's just what we want. So we'll do the same with the other side. That's a brand new one. And to do the same here, just remove the clip like so. Oops. It's a fiddly little thing. Easier if you've got two hands. So once you've got that off, the rest is easy. So that's gone, and that will come off like so. And then we do the same with the top one. Pull that off, and then we'll replace that. Anyway, I'm not going to show you anymore. I hope that helps. Thank you for watching.